Okay, so here's the new Google Health app here, and the drama I had recently is these tiles here. I would go and I would try to rearrange them, but I realized I couldn't, so I was not sure what was going on. So basically, you have to go to that pencil icon in the right corner there. You push that, and then you're going to see this screen. Now you're going to see those blank tiles still, so that's not really helpful. And then if I scroll down ever so slightly, you'll see the additional tiles of additional things you can add. So you can see like running distance, exercise, floors, etc. Okay, so to fix this, what I actually had to do is I had to actually remove all the tiles and then start from scratch. So you can see here that there is a blank slate of tiles there. And this is in the expanded view. You can see it briefly there. You've got expanded view and then you've got standard view. So right now I'm just going in manually here and I'm just filling in some metrics here that I would use. And then I'm going up and down here and then choosing them with the plus icon there. And then you can see it goes into order and there's no gaps. There's no like, weird stuff going on there. And I keep doing this. And again, this is an expanded view. So there's, I guess, more and more metrics you can add. I didn't add all the metrics there, but you can see I have four there, four tiles, and it looks fine, looks good. There's no gaps. And then I just keep adding a couple of more here. And then finally, I get to the point where it looks okay. Now, again, in standard view, it looks more compact, like you don't see those blank tiles. And we'll get into that once I just finish up here and eventually get to that. I'm just choosing some more stuff here. Okay, so now to save all this stuff, it's a little bit weird here. There is no save button or there's no like done or something like that. I just hit the back button and then it kind of worked out okay. So now I'm switching it over to standard view and you can see now everything looks okay. And then I'm just going back into expanded view there and you can see there's 6 blank tiles there and you can just add as many as you like. But to get rid of those gaps, those tile gaps, yeah, I had to basically go in there and take everything out and then reorder them. And now, as you can see here, scrolling up a little bit more here in standard view, this is what it looks like now. So there's no more tile gaps there. And then now I just hit the back button there, and that's all I guess I had to do. I didn't have to save anything. It just kind of recognized it. And yeah, that's how I did it there.